Hi and welcome to Sounds Heavenly. You might tell from my expression I'm actually really excited at the moment because this box has just arrived in the post unexpectedly. We need to find out what's in there. Come and join me. Now, this started a couple of days ago. I was chatting to James at Sound Affair and I just happened to mention that there's one pair of B&O speakers that I heard at the factory in Struer back in 2012, was absolutely blown away by them, but I've never had a proper listen to them at home. Thought no more of it until this morning when this box arrived. I'm not going to tell you anymore, we're going to open the box. So here we have it, a beautiful pair of bright red Beolab 3 speakers. So I can't wait to try these. And if you subscribe to the channel, please click on the bell notification, because in the next few days there will be a stream of new videos coming out with these speakers. We're going to look at how to connect them, how to get the best from them, and also we're going to give you the chance to hear them. So for that I'm going to suggest that you get hold of a really good pair of headphones, and we'll go through in that video how to try to get as near as possible to the actual sound of the speakers when you're listening. So we'll try and give you an idea of how they sound, how they perform in a real room, and also how they compare to some of the other speakers of the era. So we're going to look at things like Beolab 8000s, Beolab 4s, and also some of the best of the compact non-B&O passive speakers of the time. So we're going to take some Royd Minstrels and we're going to hear how they compare to the Beolab 3s. And best of it is we're going to be using some new music from an unsigned British band called Marvel, who have kindly let us use their music for the demos. So all that's to come in the next few days. Please subscribe.